go missing, and this whole back section is closing of Hollywood Studios in just a couple of weeks. I figure we should get a last view if this is one of the spots they're redoing. You really do feel like you're in certain places. Right now I'm sitting on the stoop outside a shop, and I just feel like I'm in one of the cities up north. I mean, it's so cute. They're so detailed. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, not Golden Gate, I guess. It's supposed to be New York, I think. But it's just so adorable. It's so well done. I always expected shops to open on this street, but it didn't happen.